Hello friends. So now we start with the textbook. Yesterday, in the last class we had an introduction. Miss Martha, 14-year-old girl, maintained high standard, A+, from 1st standard to 8th standard. 8th standard they have graduation. Graduation means a passing out parade, we can say. Graduation. And she was expecting to get the scholarship jacket, a very prestigious award. That is the tradition of that school in Texas. The student who maintained means who kept A+ or A grade from 1st standard to 8th standard. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Would be given the scholarship jacket free of cost. That was a tradition. A tradition means a practice in that school. And that year, Miss Martha, a Mexican girl studying in America, Texas school, was to get it. Something happened in between. What are those things that prevented or hindered, or we can say why there was a problem just before awarding, just before giving this scholarship jacket to her, etc., and how the whole story ended. We saw the outline in the last class. Now today, as I told you, we will begin the text. But before that, the word study, you have got, first one is tradition. Tradition means a practice. In our class, there is a tradition that if someone comes late, he should stand on the bench. That is a tradition. That is a practice in the class. Tradition. There are many traditions in the families now. We speak of traditional families. Means families that keep customs, old customs. It's called traditional families. So tradition means a practice, that's all. To carried out means to do, to put into practice, to do something, that is all. Or we can say execute. See? Hercules carried out many miracles. He executed or did many miracles, carried out. Graduation. I told you that is a passing out parade. In academic circles, it is graduation. We say in our place, graduation is Bachelor of Arts, BA, and post-graduation is MA, Master of Arts. But in this school, it is 8th. There is a stage in which a particular period of their education, the career in education, comes to an end. And then awards will be distributed. The next stage will be end of a stage, you can say. That is end of a particular course, you can say. And that is, here it is 8th standard. So you say graduation, 8th standard graduation. Awarded means given. To give, we can see now, many times Best Singer Award, or Dr. K.D. Yesudas was awarded the Best Singer Award. He was awarded the Best Singer Award. Selected, awarded for the Best Singer Award. Valedictorian means at the graduation stage. Valedictorian means the person or the student who was to receive the award. Because he maintains the highest grade in all examinations. Or we can say first rank, in our place we can say first rank. So valedictorian means the person who gets the first rank, who was to be given the award. Two things. One is he should get the first rank. Second is he was the one to be given the award. Then such a person is the valedictorian. Mundane we have already seen. Then looked forward. Looked forward means expect something to happen. We always looked forward very much to as we looked forward to look forward to this summer vacation, because actually it should look forward to. There is one phrase, look forward to, and the next word should be he was looking forward to the day of his marriage. That's a good example. He was looking forward to the day of his marriage. Understand? Or I was looking forward to coming of my friends. The coming of my friend, looking forward to. So I think the to raise means to bring up. In this case, what you find is the Martha's parents, father was a farm laborer. He had 8 children. So he had not enough money to bring these children, all the 8 children, to bring up all the 8 children, to take care of them. So at the age of 6, she was sent to her grandparents to be raised or to be brought up by them, because he did not have enough money. Father did not have enough money. I think all the words are now clear. Tradition means a practice, carry out means to do or to put into practice. Graduation means the end of a stage in a course of education. That is a graduation. And awarded means giving awards. Valedictorian means first rank students, also the person who was to get the award. And look forward to means to expect. I expect with great hope and interest. That's also, understand that. We are all looking forward to the coming of Christmas. Isn't it? So these are examples for that. Raise. If I get a chance, I would like to raise all my grandchildren. That is, to bring them up in my house. I have grandchildren, I would like to bring them up if I get a chance. But their parents will not allow, they will not send them to me. Therefore I cannot. So the words are very clear, I think. Okay. Now we begin the text. The small Texas school that I went to. So first person narrative means that person himself is I. I is the pronoun used. The small Texas school means the school in Texas that I went to had a tradition, had a practice, carried out every year. Means put into practice every year. Tradition, a custom. A custom put into practice every year or done every year during the 8th grade graduation, passing out parade of the 8th grade students. A beautiful gold and green jacket was awarded to the class valedictorian, the student who got the highest mark. The student who had maintained, means continuously maintained the highest grades for 8 years. So maintain means kept. We should maintain a high level of, we should maintain our standard of living. we should maintain our standard of behavior. We should keep a standard of behavior. That is maintain means. So, what do you understand from here? The student, Miss Martha, 14 years old, she is the valedictorian this year. This year's graduation ceremony. She is the valedictorian. Valedictorian means first rank holder throughout, first standard to 8th standard, throughout first rank holder. And also she was to be given as an award. The scholarship jacket is a green and gold and green jacket during that ceremony. It's a ceremony actually. The qualification is the student should maintain or keep the highest grades for 8 years. That means first rank in first standard, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, and seventh, and eighth, all first rank. The scholarship jacket had a big gold S on the left front side. That is the description of the scholarship jacket. It was green and gold in color, and in gold letters, a big S written on the left side, front part, left front side of the coat. And your name means the name of the valedictorian, in this case Martha's name. Your name written in gold letters on the pockets. So, if you want to describe the scholarship jacket, it is gold and green in color, the shade gold and green. Then, the left front side, there is a big S. That means that big S stands for what? It stands for scholarship. And then on the pocket, you had your name. Your name means the name of the valedictorian written in gold letters. My oldest sister, Rosie, had won the jacket a few years back, and I fully expected also. So we also have we had a good history, great histories of winning the scholarship jacket. My oldest sister who studied here, she got it. So I think that, I have been working for it for the last 8 years. So I'm sure that I will be getting this year's scholarship jacket. I was 14 and in the 8th grade. So the grade for graduation, that is 8th grade. I had been a straight A student. A straight A student means first rank student. Since the first grade, means first standard onwards, and this last year, had looked forward, expected with hope. This last year means the last year of the course. The last year of this particular course that begins first standard up to 8th standard. 8th standard they have their graduation, passing out. So look forward very much to owning that jacket. Because I am fully qualified. Qualified, what is the qualification? First rank. And secondly, continuously for 8 years. So I expected. I was looking forward to. I was expecting with hope and pleasure that I would be getting. You are looking forward to something means you look forward to means you expect that something is going to happen and that you like it, that what is going to happen you like it, and you think of it with great pleasure and great hope. That is, look forward. I told you now, he was looking forward to marrying a film star. He was looking forward to marrying a film star. because he was he was handsome, so he wanted to marry a film star. Nothing wrong in that. Expecting with great hope and also pleasure. My father was a farm laborer who couldn't earn enough money to feed 8 children. So that means my father was a laborer. He was working on farms. Farm laborer. But people go around working for other people. Landlords. So he did not have enough money. He had 8 children. And he couldn't earn enough money to look after all of us. So, when I was 6, I was given to my grandparents to raise. So at the age of 6, that is from the first standard onwards, I have been living with my grandparents because my father, my family sent me to them. My grandparents were comparatively, or they were above middle class. Grandfather had enough money to bring me up and to look after me, to send me to school, to pay my fees, my tuition fees and so on. So my father and mother together decided to send me to my grandfather's house in Texas, America. That is how the Mexican girl comes to America. So from this, what do you understand? 2 main points. One, what is this scholarship jacket? And secondly, who gets this scholarship jacket? And a third, one more point you can say, how did she come to Texas? So what is this scholarship jacket? It is an award. If you describe it, green and gold, left front side there is a big S, gold letters, and also in pockets, the name of the valedictorian. The second question we have answered is, what is that? Who gets this? What is the qualification for this? The student should maintain high standards. Means student should be first rank from first standard to 8th standard. And 8th standard, end of 8th standard, you have got your graduation ceremony. On that day, this jacket will be given. Why did Martha expect that she would get the scholarship jacket? She expected that, she looked forward to getting scholarship jacket because she maintained A grade right from the first standard to 8th standard. How did a Mexican girl come to study in Texas, in America? Martha's parents, father especially, was a farm laborer. He could not earn enough money to look after his 8 children, eight children. And then, therefore, he sent Martha to her grandparents' house in America, Texas, when she was 6. All the questions we have answered. Now, the vocabulary, that is the words, you know. Now I will read out the simplified version of this. You can also go through it as I am reading out. Okay. The simplified version of this section. Martha was 14 years old. She was studying in the 8th grade. The school was a small one. It was in Texas, America. The school had a good tradition. Every year, at the time of the graduation function, the student who was A+ continuously from standard 1 to standard 8 would be awarded the scholarship jacket. It was a beautiful gold and green jacket. It had a big gold S on the left front side, and name of the winner, the valedictorian, written in gold on the pocket. Martha's oldest sister Rosie had won it, past tense of win. That year, Martha was sure to get it. She had maintained A+ throughout, from standard 1st to standard 8th. Her father was a farm laborer. He could not earn enough money to bring up all his 8 children. So when Martha was 6 years old, she was given to her grandparents to raise. Awesome. I think that now it is very clear to you, isn't it? The story of Martha. The story of Martha, who is very eagerly expecting to get the scholarship jacket at this year's graduation ceremony. We'll continue with this in the next class till we meet again.